Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will open your account page. Next, tap on the option called Your Orders. Here you will see a list of all your recent purchases. Find the order you want to cancel. Now tap on that order to open the details page. Look for the Cancel Order button. If the order is still being processed and has not yet been shipped, you will see this option. Tap on Cancel Order. You may be asked to choose a reason for canceling. Select the reason that fits your case and confirm your choice. After that, your order will be canceled. If your payment was already made, Temu will process a refund. Keep in mind that once an order is shipped, you cannot cancel it. In that case, you can wait for the package to arrive and then request a return instead. That is all you need to do to cancel an order on Temu. Thanks for watching.